Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl BrightAsDae. If you're new here, welcome. If you're oldie but a goodie, welcome back. Happy New Year, y'all. Happy New Year. Happy 2022. I'm so excited. I love New Year, new beginnings, new everything. It's just like you get another chance at another 365, and I love that. It's just something about a refresher, starting over. I don't know. I just always get excited about a new year, a new month, even a new week. I always like look forward to those things to like reset what didn't go well the last year or the last week or the last month. You get another chance at it to do it again. So I'm really excited about this year. This is my first video for 2022. I'm excited. I am excited to share some news with you all, some new beginnings and everything, and also to recap 2021. So yeah, so 2021, it came, I don't know, both of those years felt like one year altogether. But I am very fortunate that I was able to go through the year, had life, had blessing, had a job, had family and everything like that. So I'm forever grateful, forever thankful for that year. 2021, for the first half of the year, it was just much of me working, trying to get that money, trying to save for my financial goals. One of the big moves that I made in 2021 was financially. As you know, I shared my journey of just like me documenting my cash stuffing videos and everything like that. And I know people are asking for those to come back. So I'm going to try to do those maybe once a month just to come with an update of what I am doing financially and what my plan is for 2022. But yeah, so financially, I started off with my budgeting. That went great. I'm forever grateful that I even learned all of that. All of this information is out there. It's just a matter of paying attention. And I literally saw a video randomly one day on my recommended on YouTube, and I decided to watch it because I love money. Like, I saw this girl counting money. I'm like, I love money. Let me watch this. What this is about. And then I was instantly captivated by it, and then that's where my interest came from. And you know, I did that throughout 2021. Ended the year off very like in a good spot financially. One of the pitfalls that I must say is sometimes responsibility fall back on you as, you know, a family member, a friend, or something like that. So sometimes you have to lend a hand, if you know what I mean, and stuff like that. But you know, ultimately, I'm glad that I'm able to do so. I'm glad that I'm in a position to do so for others, for my family, and as well as for myself. So financially, that was one of the biggest moves that I made. Also, last year, I also improved in my category for teaching. If many of you know that I am a teacher, and at my school it's performance based. So what that means is there are categories or tiers that you rank, and then you can rank up. So I actually ranked up as well, so that's more money. Okay, so I was able to get a raise per se. So that's also something well that happened in 2021. 2021 also afforded me a lot of traveling because we were on Zoom teaching. So I traveled to Jamaica a lot. My partner was there, so I was able to travel back and forth, spend many months in Jamaica, weeks at a time, just because I was teaching on Zoom. So that felt great, being around my family. I feel like that afforded me the opportunity to get really close to my family, you know, on the day-to-day, not just like around Christmas time or like, you know, a little vacation, but actually live and see what it's really like living in Jamaica now in 2021. And you know, and just in recent times versus when I was a child and I lived there before, it's totally different now. It opened my eyes up to a lot of things, you know, that I noticed that's going on in the country, and even just my community and like in my family and everything like that. So I'm forever grateful for that opportunity. Moving on to like August, September, I felt in a deep, I don't like calling it depression because I've never got it diagnosed, but a real sadness, a real phase for like 3 months. I was MIA off of YouTube, of Instagram, just off of social media, just out of everybody's life. I wasn't hitting on my friends. I was just going to work, sleeping, going to work, sleeping. It was a very stagnant time, and I couldn't understand what was going on with me. I tried to vocalize it to some of my friends, like, hey, what does this sound like? And they're like, that sounds like adulting. I'm like, adulting sucks. So I went through like a phase for like 3 months where I was just very sad, very, very sad. And you know, I came back in my life update video and I explained that to y'all. Now moving on to the later part of 2021, I celebrated my birthday. So I went to Jamaica in October, celebrated my partner and I's birthday. Then we came back, and then the next month he actually came up, and as you know, if you watch the video, he came up and surprised me. Now I never gave context to that. Now I knew he was coming up, but I didn't know when he was coming. So I was aware of his paperwork and everything and all of that. I knew it was coming and knew he was approved and everything. I just didn't know when, because he wouldn't tell me. So then y'all saw the surprise of him surprising me back in November. So yeah, so he's been here with me since then. So I'm no longer in a long distance relationship. I just want to say, if you're in a long distance relationship right now, keep going. I've never thought in a million years that I would have this happy ending. It's not ended, but it's still going. But you know, just keep going. Don't listen to people about long distance relationship. Not everybody's long distance is gonna work, but don't take that to mark your relationship. You know what I'm saying? So just keep going. And then we celebrated our first Thanksgiving together, and because you know, Thanksgiving is not really a Jamaican holiday, it's more of an American holiday. So we celebrated our first Thanksgiving together, which was great. And then we celebrated Christmas here in the US for the first time. We've celebrated Christmas in Jamaica before. We also celebrated our second anniversary. Our anniversary was back in December, so we've been together now for 2 years. And guys, the biggest thing that happened to me in 2021 was that I found out that I'm pregnant literally on the last day of the year. So on December 31st, I found out that I am pregnant. Now I did not know how far along or anything like that I was. I'll be doing a dedicated video explaining how I found out I was pregnant. I've never shared this side. I've never shared my story about my hormonal issues or anything like that about fertility on my channel before, just because that was a really sensitive topic for me, and I honestly don't know what was really going on, and we were going through the motions with doctors and stuff like that. But I'll be sharing a whole dedicated video. I did want to just come and give y'all an update that yes, for all the people who asked before, now I did not know that I was. And I know I made the life update video and I was like, I am not pregnant. People were like, do you want kids? Of course I want kids. I just, you know, when it happened, it happened. I didn't know I was pregnant at the time making that video. I was definitely pregnant. Didn't know that. So it wasn't like I knew and I was denying it. I really didn't know. I'm gonna tell you my story in the next video, but I did want to come and just give you a recap of everything like that. Now for 2022, I am so excited. I'm gonna be a mother. So it's just like I sat down prior to me knowing that I was pregnant, and I made my budget for 2022. I wrote down some goals that I wanted to achieve for myself for 2022, and then I found out that I'm a mother. I'm gonna be a mom this year, which is just like crazy to me, because it's just like where do I prioritize my goals now? Before it was all about me. I created my budget, it was all about me. Now I have to think about a baby, and I think about all of these things. I'm still gonna crush my dreams, no doubt about it, but now I have this human that I'll be caring for, which I'm so excited about to meet. I don't know the gender of it yet, but I'm finding out soon and everything like that. I'm actually having a gender reveal tomorrow. My mom is the only person that knows the gender of the baby, so we're having a gender reveal tomorrow. And when you're seeing this video, we're actually having the gender reveal today. So stay tuned on Instagram. I don't know if I'm going to share the gender on Instagram just yet, but maybe. But in the future, y'all be getting related videos, because I'm not keeping this a secret. It's not a secret. I literally just found out a week ago. So I'm just here, and I'm so far along that I'm sharing the news with you, because why not? And I told y'all that wouldn't be something I'll hide from y'all, because actually this is like my miracle baby. And when you watch my how did I find out I was pregnant video and all of that, you'll understand why I just said that. But yeah, so for 2022, I'm really excited to also crush my goals. I'm excited to be a mom. I get to see a different side. Girl, if I grew up now, you know, girl, if I well grew up now, because I told big man. I thought I was a grown person before, but now I'm really told big man. So yeah, and I don't know if you can see, I started seeing it in my face. I feel like some of y'all already said it, because y'all were like, you're glowing, you look like you're pregnant, and I didn't see it until now. I'm like, dang, I really do look pregnant. So join me on this journey of motherhood, I guess. I'm still gonna be doing my regular stuff though, but just life has been a little crazy for the past 7 days. Today is the 8th of January. So from the 31st to now, my life has just been crazy, but it has been a blessing. I just want to say thank God for coming through for your girl. But yeah, y'all, so this is just a recap of 2021. Here's what's coming up for 2022. As far as my channel, still same type of videos. I want to definitely be a little bit more consistent. Now I have another category to enter on my channel of like mom videos. I don't even know what to expect. I'm excited. If you any advice for a new mom, a first time mom, anything, drop them in the comments. I know y'all gonna say congratulations, thank you in advance. So if you enjoyed this video, comment down below, leave a like on the video, share it with your friend, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye y'all.